We're at the service lot here at Cookeville RV and Marine, checking out something new, exclusive. This is a 2022 Alpha Wolf. It is a brand new floor plan. It's a 28FK. And yes, it did just come onto our lot. So this is the first one we've gotten. But check this out. I guess sometimes we don't show you. This is what it looks like when you're going down the road. We got all of our handles in, all of our steps are in, but super easy to transition it once you get to the campground. So we put out these steps. Of course, you can adjust the steps so that they're all easy and equal. So as you know, Forest River, this is a Forest River product, the Cherokee line, and they also do Flagstaff. And if you're familiar with the Flagstaff layouts, it's going to be just like this one. So they've sort of incorporated the Flagstaff look and feel, floor plan wise, into this Alpha Wolf. So we have all of the good things as in this gigantic entertainment space. Check out the countertop space on that kitchen. I love the side sink. That really adds for a good place if you got a really big family, because this camper has a bedroom, you have this sofa that super easily transitions into a good place to sleep. Oh, well, it's one place to sleep there, and then we have another place to sleep here. Just put some of those cushions in there, and that's pretty big. 2 kids could sleep on that. And this is all in one slide here, but this does come up, this table, so you can have a nice sitting area. This is a gigantic U-shaped dinette. Nice big roller shades there that do block out or open for lighting. We also have a nice RV fridge, really big. You can keep serving trays in there. 3-burner top stove, lots and lots of storage around. But oh, and check this out, it's got a pantry, a magnetic door with its own light, some extra places to hang up things. This is a really good family camper, and of course Cherokee, they say it's the #1 selling camper because it is. It's a great price point, it's a great manufacturer, and you get so many different things like the cool accent lighting above. A lot of the kids love that. It makes you really feel like you're on vacation. Check this out in here. We have our master bedroom. I'm putting these down. Super easy. Queen size bed, double nightstands, double lights, lots of storage above for you to add your own shelves if you want to add something to charge, because we do have charging ports on both sides. This massive wardrobe, that the hanging rod goes all the way back. And this slide does come in and it slides right underneath here. You have your own entrance into this master, and these stairs do the same thing as the other ones. They fold out from the inside, but you have your stairs in, so no one can come up to your door at night. So that's super safe and effective. And check out this bathroom. This is a corner bathroom with 2 entrances. So I have a sliding door and a regular door for our master. Check out how big this sink is. This is a really large sink for a camper bathroom. Usually they have the smaller ones, but I really like it. The black that matches the kitchen. Lots of storage, and of course our side mounted shower. This is super similar to some of the Flagstaff models, but the Cherokee line came out with it, which we really appreciate. So if you're interested in the Cherokee line or want to know more about floor plans that are good for you and your family, we would love to help you with that. And thanks for tuning in.